Changing the language in Interactive Broker is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Interactive Broker account and navigate to the Settings or Preferences section. In the Settings section, you will find a drop-down menu or a tab labeled as Language. Click on this to view the available language options. Interactive Broker supports multiple languages, including but not limited to English, Spanish, French, and many more. Select your preferred language from the list and click Save or Apply to implement the changes. It is essential to note that changing the language may require you to log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. Additionally, some features or sections of the platform may not be translated, so it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the platform in your preferred language to avoid any confusion. To ensure a seamless experience, it is recommended to choose a language you are comfortable with and have a good understanding of, as this will help you navigate the platform efficiently. In the event you encounter any issues or difficulties while changing the language, you can contact Interactive Broker customer support for assistance. They are available to provide guidance and resolve any problems you may encounter. In conclusion, changing the language in Interactive Broker is a simple and efficient process that can enhance your overall trading experience. By following these steps, you can easily switch to your preferred language and enjoy a more personalized and intuitive interface.